Meera Strong and Healthy Shampoo is best healthy shampoo for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Meera Strong and Healthy Shampoo is enriched with natural goodness of Kunkudukai and Badam. Kunkudukai acts as a natural cleanser and gently cleanses the scalp. Badam strengthens hair strands, provides wholesome goodness to hair and makes it strong and healthy. Gives extra strong and extra smooth hair. Reduces hair fall due to hair breakage and strengthens hair. It contains a unique Nourishment Lock System along with natural ingredients. Meera Strong and Healthy Shampoo is best healthy shampoo for hair care. Gentle shampoo formulated by hair care experts, suitable for daily hair wash. Suitable for all hair colors and for any age range and ideal for men and women. Make your hair healthy and stronger with all new Meera shampoo. The all-new Meera Strong and Healthy Shampoo contains a unique Nourishment Lock System along with natural ingredients. It contains Kunkudukai that is known to gently cleanse your hair, whilst vitamin E enriched almond is known to nourish it, giving you stronger and healthier hair with every wash. Meera Strong and Healthy Shampoo contains Kunkudukai that gently cleanses your hair, whilst vitamin E enriched almond nourishes it from root to tip, giving you will get stronger and healthier hair with every wash. Meera shampoo with Kunkudukai and Badam is a natural and healthy means of hair care. Directions to use the shampoo: after washing your hair thoroughly, take 2 to 3 drops of the shampoo, equal to size of a coin, on your palm. Then apply the shampoo, gently massaging it all over your hair from the roots to the tips. Leave the shampoo on your hair for a couple of minutes and then rinse it off completely. Meera Strong and Healthy Hair Wash Shampoo is enriched with natural goodness of Kunkudukai and Badam. Kunkudukai acts as a natural cleanser and gently cleanses the scalp. Badam strengthens hair strands. Suitable for all hair colors and for any age range. Meera Strong and Healthy Shampoo is best healthy shampoo for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.